Use synthetic division to show x minus 2 is a factor of p of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 10. A factor of x minus k, in this case is 2, is a factor of a polynomial if k is the zero of the polynomial. In this case, x minus 2 is a factor only if we plug 2 into the function. We would end up with a 0. However, in this problem, we are asked to use the synthetic division to show that x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor of a polynomial if the polynomial divides evenly by x minus 2. And so we set up the synthetic division by first listing k. K in this case is 2. Draw a vertical line and then draw a horizontal long line and then list all of the coefficients from the polynomial. The highest degree is 3. The coefficient of x cubed is 1. The coefficient of x squared is 2. The coefficient of x is negative 3. And the constant coefficient is negative 10. To perform synthetic division, we would draw another horizontal line. And then we bring down the leading coefficient, in this case 1. Take this 1 and multiply k. K is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And then write the result in the next column. And then add the numbers in that column. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then we take this number 4 and multiply k. K is still 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And write the result in the next column. 4 times 2 is 8. And then add the numbers in that column. 8 plus negative 3 is 5. Negative 3 plus 8 is 5. And then repeat. 5 times 2 is positive 10. Write the result in the next column and then add. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0. And so, since the remainder is 0, we know that the factor x minus 2 divides into the polynomial evenly. The remainder is 0 means that x equals k. In this case, again, k is 2, is a 0 of the polynomial. If it is the 0, then x minus k is a factor. To obtain the quotient, we would look at the coefficient on the left-hand side of the remainder in the last entry. That will be the constant coefficient for the quotient, and the number on the left-hand side of it is the coefficient of x. That is how many x, and on the left-hand side of it is how many x squared. Thus, p of x is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 10 can be rewritten as x minus k as a factor because the remainder is 0. Multiply. The quotient is 1x squared plus 4x plus 5. To make sure, we want to multiply this out to see if we end up with the same polynomial p of x. But this is the factor form of the polynomial.